A client sent in her 10 inches bob for me to restyle. So first of all, I went in with my lace tint, and after that I went to sectioning the hair. Section your hair line by line. Yeah, so that was what I was doing here. I was trying to section the hair. Then the next thing, you go in with your heat protectant, which is very important. Take a section of the hair, comb it out. Yes, comb it out. Then you use your hand to hold it. That's one side of your hand, the left hand, and then you use your hair straightener to straighten the hair. And as you're going towards, before you get to the down, you have to like bend your hand, because we're actually bobbing this hair. I don't know how I'm gonna explain to you, but you go straight, you bend, and that is it. Section your hair, go in with your heat protectant, use your left hand, take a part of it, comb it out, use your straightener to straighten it. Towards the end, you bend your hand inside to give you that bob to get. So this is what I did for the whole hair. So guys, please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe, hit on the like button, drop a comment and share. Thank you. So you see what I'm doing? You see the shape is already giving us that bob kind of stuff to get. So this is what you do till the end of the hair.
When I'm coming out, I look so vivacious, I look so tantalizer, and I'm always look so phantasmagorious, and I'm always look so voluminous and colossus, and even look papacious, and even mamacious, and I even look all over a church. I am so a fan of my dressing na the vandalization. On all my dressing vandalize means onye na abo ebia eme onye obuna va nanya. That's it. On a madam.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm done straightening the hair, I'm done bobbing. So what I was doing here was actually cutting off the lace. It's actually a new hair, so I'm cutting off the lace. I don't know if you can really see it. So this is it. I went in with my small scissors, I cut off the lace. I actually started from my right to the left. Then it depends on you, but you know, after that I used my small comb to balance it. Then after that I went in with my hot comb, which is very important, you know, for you to achieve a very flat closure, a very flat front. You have to go in with your hot comb. I didn't actually use wax. That was because the hair was already styled from where my clients bought this hair. It was already styled. I didn't use any other product, so what I did was just to stretch, and that was it. And voila, we are done. So this is the final look. This is what you think about this. Was the video helpful? And let me know what you think about the style. Did it come out well or what? Please kindly drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and loved ones, and please subscribe. Thank you, and see you in my next video.